Hi everyone, welcome to another free family art project. I'm Autumn, the education coordinator here for Studio 23. If you got to see our previous segment with Tara, you saw that we are featuring the artwork of Mark Blaszczynski, and you learned a little bit about the medium that he works with and the style of art that he creates. And you also learned that Mark evolved from working with stained glass to glass bottles and found object. And for me, whenever I hear found object, I automatically think, ooh, recycle, recycle. So I thought that we would do a project that includes recycled items that you could find around your household. Mark also says that the bottles he uses in his art are recognizable, but they're transformed by reflection and refraction. So that made me think, let's do something with reflection. So I came up with this recycled project. This is simply using any kind of bottle that you might find around your house, a plastic bottle, and pieces of old CDs. So just a quick note for students, you might want to ask permission first from your adult before you use a CD and break apart a CD. And for the adults out there, this might be a project that you have to do together with your student. So some of the supplies that you are going to need are, of course, this plastic bottle. You're going to want, like I said, the old CDs, a hot glue gun, and if you're going to allow your student to do that with you, I would definitely have some kind of gloves, and I would definitely use a low temp glue gun. Some black craft paint, some black puff paint, and you can find that anywhere. I've even found it at the dollar store. But what's important about the puff paint is not only does it fill up spaces, but it has that nice little nozzle on it, which will work to our advantage when we're creating this. And then you're going to want some scissors, a hammer, an old shipping package, and a brush for your paint. And so adults, you definitely might want to consider helping your student with the hot glue gun and using the hammer to break apart the CD. So that's just something to keep in mind. All right, so to start with, what we're going to do is we're going to paint the bottle black, just with black craft paint, and you're going to let that dry. Okay, and then while that's drying, we're going to create these little mosaic pieces out of the CD. All right, so let me show you. Let me adjust the camera, and we'll get started on that. All right, I think that is just about good enough. Okay, so to start with, we want to break apart our CDs. Now, you can try it with scissors. I did have some limited success with scissors, especially when I was taking bigger pieces and cutting them down smaller. So you could do that. Another thing you can do, if you have your adult nearby to help, is I just like to take the CD, an old CD, put it inside a shipping bag, and then use the edge of a table. So like I said, this might be a good time for your adult to help you out. And you're just going to hold it right on the edge. And you're just going to break apart your CD that way. And you're going to end up with all different size pieces. And from there, if you want, you can start cutting them down with scissors if you're a little more comfortable with that. Now, if you are a student and you're doing this, I might still consider wearing some gloves. This is not glass, but it still can get a little sharp on the corners, and we wouldn't want you to poke yourself, so that might be something to consider. Otherwise, you can just start cutting it apart. Now, the smaller your pieces are, the longer time it's going to take, but the more it's going to fill in your mosaic. And you might want that look, or you might not. You might not, you know, you might want to transform your bottle a little more, like Mark was talking about with his piece. So on my example, you can see I used bigger shards, but if you want to fill in and actually have more of the recognizable shape of the bottle, you might want to use smaller pieces. And you're just going to cut these up. All right, until they're about the size you want. Let's see, I have some ready to go here. All right. And then what we're gonna do, let's see if my glue gun is ready. Yep, here we go. All right, so we're simply gonna start gluing these pieces onto our bottle. And how you do a mosaic is you just try and figure out the pieces that fit into the space. It's almost like a puzzle. And you're just gonna say, you know, like, oh yeah, this will fit here. And then you know to glue it down. So we're just gonna go in, put a little hot glue on our piece. And put that right down. And you're gonna keep doing that. You're gonna repeat that over and over until you have your bottle filled. Let's see. I think I'll try and fit that in there. Now, adults, if you are working with your student, you may also want to have them use gloves while they're doing the hot glue. If you accidentally touch it, or if you have accidentally touched it, I should say, you know it can get kind of hot, and so that might be something you want your student to do, or just help them out and they tell you where to put it and you apply the hot glue and put it down for them. That's also a great idea, just so everyone can stay safe. And you're gonna keep going in and you're gonna keep applying those pieces. So then once you have it all filled with all of your pieces, you're gonna go in with black puff paint. Now see, this has the nozzle on it, and that's gonna be really helpful because it's gonna help us get into all these little crevices. And you're just gonna go in and fill in. And it's almost gonna look like a grout on an actual tile mosaic. And it just adds a lot to the project. And you're gonna go in every area that has an opening and you're gonna fill it in with this black puff paint. And if you get some on a part of the CD, it's very easy to wipe off. You could even do with a little paper towel if you don't wanna turn into a big old mess like me. And you're gonna keep doing that. You're gonna keep filling in with that black puff paint all over. All right, once you're done with that, you're gonna take your cap and you're gonna find a way to pop a hole in the top. Maybe that's another part that your adult helps you with. And you're gonna attach something to create a hanger. You could even do like string, twine, anything like that. You're gonna pop it right through the hole, and you can even hot glue right on the other side. And you'll put your cap back on, and there you will have your recycled mosaic light catcher that you can hang outside. They're so pretty, and it's such a fun craft to work on, especially since you probably have most of these things around your house. So that's going to be it for me today. Of course, if you make this project, we would love to see you share it. You can use the hashtag Studio23 on the go or hashtag MakeArtVirtual, and we would love to share what you're working on. that is it for me today. Up next is Val, and I hope you all have a great weekend. Bye.